Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to unblock someone on Google Meet. If you are looking for a way to unblock someone from your Google Meet account, then the process is quite easy. First of all, open up your Google Meet application and then log into your account. Once logged in, from the home page, go ahead and tap on the three horizontal lines at the top left corner. Now click on Settings in the expanded menu. Inside the Settings menu, go ahead and click on General. Under General, swipe down to Blocked Users and tap on it. Now any other user that you've blocked will be displayed on the page. To unblock them, tap on the cross icon right next to their name. And once unblocked, the person will be able to join your Google Meet sessions, message you on Gmail, and interact across other connected Google services again. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.